Hey everyone, it's Julia with Wig Review Central YouTube at Pinkee Promise Wigs. We are going to show you quickly how to extend the life of your heat-defiant or heat-friendly wigs. Now this is the Belle Tress Peerless 18-inch style. I love this wig. I have it in a couple of different colors. The problem is because it is heat-friendly, it does tend to get tangled, as you can see at the nape. Ends tend to frizz. They get very dry, crispy, crunchy. And I want to show you how to extend the life of your heat-friendly styles so that you get your money's worth. If this is your first time watching me, I'm Julia. I have hair loss, as you can see. And I also have cowlicks. That's why my hair stands up funny at the very top. I had a recent shedding and my hair is not in good shape, and that's why I have to wear wigs. And so I hope that I can help you on your wig journey or your hair loss journey, because at Pinkee Promise Wigs, that's why we're here, is to guide you. Now, please click the subscribe button under this video so that you never miss a wig review or a how-to video. Let's get started. Okay, so when you have a heat-defiant fiber wig, it's beautiful. There's no wig shine. This fiber, which is like a plastic, looks like human hair, especially at a distance. And the problem is, though, unlike human hair, it does tend to wear out pretty quick. But there's things we can do. One quick tip: always comb from the bottom and go up. This is how you want to comb heat-defiant fibers so that they remain looking their best and stay in beautiful condition. If your heat-defiant wig is having tangling issues at the nape, on the length, but you don't have any frizz yet, you're just dealing with tangling, my favorite product is the Simply Styling Light Silk Spray. I have it here in the unscented version. Also, the John Renault Detangler and Conditioner Spray works well too. The only difference is this is pure silicone, and I love how it adds moisture, luster, and restores movement. I will leave links to these products in the video description box under this video. So expand that text box, click on the links, and you can shop for these products. You've got this tangling. 2 squirts, that's all it takes. As I recommended earlier, you want to comb up. Start at the ends and comb your way up the fiber. Look how quickly, thanks to the Simply Styling Light Silk Spray, which moisturizes, adds some lubrication to the fibers, look how quickly those tangles come out and the hair moves and looks silky and beautiful once again. You want to use a wide tooth comb, never a brush. If you brush synthetic fiber, especially heat-defiant fiber, it will wear out this plastic fiber very quickly. We want to avoid that. As you can see, the ends of my Peerless 18 wig are starting to frizz. They feel rough. The only way to correct it is with heat application. Let me show you how. I prefer to do this with the wig on my head. I have a Revlon flat iron. It has a setting of off, low, and high. If your flat iron has these settings, set it to low to start with, because on this particular flat iron, low is extremely hot. If you have a heat tool that shows you the degrees, you don't want to go any higher than 320 degrees. I'm relying on you to keep this secret. This is just between us. My boyfriend loves to grill, and he bought this. See, it says grill on it. He bought this brand new the other day at like Costco because he wanted this to spray his grill down, and so I stole it because I looked at it and I thought that would be perfect to fill with water when I heat style my heat-friendly wigs. So any container that you find that works well for spraying water will work for this. We talked about no brushing and a wide tooth comb, but this is the only time you will use a fine tooth comb. I want you to take the crispy frizzed ends and comb them out with a fine tooth comb. Spray. Ooh, I sprayed the mirror. And then comb it through. This will create steam. Take your flat iron and run it through. If you'd like it to have a curl, now you're just doing the ends. Just the ends. You want to let this cool set, which means don't comb it. You want to let that curl or that wave, or if you're going to straighten it, leave it alone for like a minute or two to cool. Now you can feel it with your hand to see if it's cooled off. Here we have this section, which is very crispy. I can feel it. And you're going to see some of that steam. That's okay. Now see the difference, the way this just straightened it. I wanted to show you that. We're straightening this section, but we added like a wave here. So you can, whatever the pattern is of your wig, you'll want to follow that pattern only on the frizz section. You can see the difference, how ratted, tangled and knotty and crispy this side is, and how sleek and treated this side is. Once you have heat treated the ends of your heat defiant style, you can use Simply Styling Spray to just add some luster and restore the movement. This product alone will not correct frizzed heat defiant fiber ends. You must use steam or heat styling tools. Now we're going to take a curling iron, and I have it set at a mid setting. This does not have degrees. It is set from 0 to 20, and I have it on 10, which is like a medium setting. So what I'll do, I'm going to again use my fine tooth comb just on the ends. Spray, comb through. Now I want to add a curl. I'm not interested in flat ironing. I want to curl this. So I'm going to hold it for a minute. This is just another technique for getting rid of the frizz and the crunch. And then when I slip the barrel out, I'm going to hold it so that it will cool set. I can feel that it is hot in my hand, but it's not burning my hand. So I'm just going to stand here until I feel that the fiber has cooled and the curl or wave pattern has set. This is like a barrel curl. This is where I flat ironed, and this is where I added that wave with the flat iron. So you can see how you can accomplish straightening, adding waves, or adding a barrel curl. Now it can take practice to get the curl or wave pattern to be exactly as the original style. That's why I recommend you only do the ends. If you find that heat treating the ends is no longer working, that's when you can decide to cut the ends and still keep the style. I recommend that you take your wig to either a wig salon or a hairstylist that's willing to work on wigs and letting a professional help you with cutting the ends so it maintains the integrity of the style. It takes a little practice, but as you can see, it's rather easy. You just need a wide tooth comb, a fine tooth comb, something to squirt water with, and some heat styling tools. I would love to hear your advice for maintaining your heat-friendly styles. Please share in the comments section below so that beginners to wigs can learn from your experience. If you would like information on any of these products and where to get them, I have left all of that information in the video description box under this video. Expand that text box and you will have all the information, all the product links in there. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.